Okay, so now attaching the battery or the connector terminal to the board itself. There are 3 wires to connect: data, battery positive, battery negative, or ground. We're going to connect the data one first. It doesn't matter if you put the data on the top or the bottom. If you put the data on this side, you can simply route the cables through the gap here in the capacitors, and it'll be just fine. I prefer not to do it that way, but just because, for simplicity's sake. So we'll go ahead and slip the data wire into the hole for the data. Turn it over, and I just use the weight of the blade itself to kind of hold it in place. Again, soldering iron clean and at 300. Right, so then I'm gonna touch the pad and the wire at the same time. Give it a second, put heat on, give it a second, take it off. Right, and we've got a perfect solder joint there. Okay, so then it's just rinse and repeat with the other cables. So battery positive and the ground. Get those lined up and in there. Get those down. Okay. I'm going to do battery positive first because it's a little easier. Pad and wire at the same time. Apply a little bit of solder. And good. Ground is going to be a little more difficult, right? It's got a pretty big, decent sized ground plane on this guy. So you're going to give it 2 or 3 seconds extra. Touching the pad and the wire. Introduce a little bit of solder. Give it another second or 2. And come off. Right? And as long as it looks like a little pyramid shape, you're good. As long as if it looks like a bubble on top, then you've got a cold joint and you need to redo it. You just apply more heat, wait longer. Okay, and there we go, we're attached. Okay.